we welcome our Honourable Chief Minister to unveil the plaque marking the grand opening of the Williamson Sangma Meghalaya State Museum.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad ki Sangma hak Alfosan Jeliu ula Plie Williamson Sangma Meghalaya State Museum kepala Deban shna pynthymmai katkum gajuk kabamenta hak jingalang kabalalong hapo susutham auditorium Shillong. Hak ani kajing Plie layadon lang ru Menteri Katanat Arts and Culture ubak Pol Lingdo Menteri Katanat Boarding u Abu Tahir Mondal. Ya kani ka museum lapan wandor thamai pura katkum kani ka juk kabamenta bat kaban penyo ya kajing syam ka pensengotenan bat kabadon ru ikikor technology kabakan thop ya ka QR based exhibits bat kijing peniling bagi kor digital. Haba ai jingkeren Menteri Rangba ulapan pau bakani ka sinjam ka dei shibenta jong ka jingo I jingai ban rakhi ban bu jing tho bat ban penne pensa ya ka jing ruspa ka jela ha kaliang jing don jing em ki bahar pateng katkum ka kolshor ringkat ka jingkan tiu ya ka yok ka kot ka bane. Kamde satya tang ka jingpen I ya ka jinglong kerpang bat ban penne pensa ya ka. Ka jingkeli ka bahe kalong kumno bangin la ban pelong ha ka rukom ka bapen itenan bat penwandor bha kumno bangin penrong ya ka kolshor berim bat penkela ya ka sya ka yok ka kot ulaong. Ula penbena bakatanat puli puthi kan sa penmi ya ka jing betha na ka benta baro ki khna puli bakan long ka bakong san bakin let jingo ya ka ni ka museum da ka bakdaw halor ka jingkong san ban pengam ya ka jing sngu thu ha ka baya day bar ka kolshor bat ka jinga ro hapding ki samla bandang penyar shu ya ka bakum ka ni ka museum on satay ha keleng ka jela ka ban sedang natura ya ki jing penwandor la da ban menjor na ka benta ki project ki pynthymmai ha ki weipat ki district headquarter bakong san.
It has been the endeavor of our government to really focus on our identity. We've always felt that as a government and as people of the state, what makes us different from the rest of the world is our identity. And that identity is defined by our culture, by our language, by the different clothes we wear, the ornaments we wear, the food that we eat, the different music aspects, so on and so forth. And therefore, there has been a concerted effort from our government to be able to really nurture this in the best manner. Number one, to reinforce our identity and to make sure that we are able to really distinguish and distinctly give a proper shape, I guess, and proper identity to who we are. But apart from that, we've also realized that it is crucial for us to be able to document and preserve these aspects. And thirdly, apart from maintaining that identity, documenting it and preserving it, how do we make it more creative? How do we create an economy out of the creative aspect of our society? How do we incorporate culture? How do we incorporate our history, our identity through this creative process into an economy in itself? And therefore, we've been working from all fronts to be able to bring all of this larger picture together. Our government is focusing on multiple fronts. It's not just about putting up one museum and saying, that's it. We have research happening. We are funding researchers, and I encourage if some of you are willing to, because I'm really impressed with this research that's happening. All of this research will be converted into booklets. They will be available for people to buy. I'm sorry you cannot get it for free. You'll have to buy because we want to support these researchers. So I'm very happy that this entire aspect of tourism and having this creative economy, linking this creative economy to our culture, to our music, to our history, is happening as we speak. So my whole idea of speaking to you is to really give you the larger picture of what it is that we are trying to achieve as a government by bringing all of this together.
I feel a sense of elation, pride and achievement in the fact that we have been able to complete the state-of-the-art Captain Williamson Sangma Museum, a museum that celebrates our history, our culture, our hills and our soft power, and also a museum dedicated to the memory of a pioneer of the Hill State movement, Captain Sangma. The fact that we are here on the 53rd year of Meghalaya as a state should also help us reflect on how far we have come. And I'm proud to say that we have always been donning the rindia whenever we are welcomed to various programs and functions. But today, I don this rindia with a sense of pride that this has now been recognized globally and has got the GI tag under the present dispensation in power.
First and foremost, the contributions of late Captain Williamson Sangma, in whose name the museum stands today. He was responsible for shaping the political landscape and development of the state. His vision and leadership has inspired future generations. Making a museum and inaugurating it today is a fitting tribute to his legacy. This museum is a rich cultural and historical repository of the state of Meghalaya, and it serves as a collection repository of artifacts, traditions and stories that reflect the identity of the local communities.